Hey, what's up everyone? Jeremiah here. I have a set of security cameras at home that I use daily, and right now I'm using an NV4116 network video recorder, and it's been working great now for the past 2 years. However, now I have 8 cameras, so I need to get rid of this little guy and got myself a new Amcrest NV4116-HS network video recorder. What this is going to do is allow me to record up to 16 channels instead of only 4 that I could do now. I'm going to show you guys here real quick a unboxing of this and show you guys what you get in this in case you were deciding on upgrading or purchasing a network video recorder for your IP security cameras. If you're not a subscriber yet, guys, please click on that subscribe button and ding that bell next to it so you don't miss any future videos. First thing you get in this kit, guys, is an Ethernet wire, and this is going to plug from the NVR into your router. The next thing you're going to get is the power adapter to power the NVR. You're going to get a quick start user manual, which is nice because a lot of things nowadays come with a online manual that you have to look it up on the computer, print it out, or whatnot. So this is really nice that it comes with a nice long 82-page manual that's in English, and it looks like it's very detailed about how to set this thing up and use it. You get a CD with software on it for your computer. You can also download the software off the internet if you don't have a drive on your computer. You get 4 little screws that hold the hard drive in when you install the hard drive. You get a power cable and also a hard drive cable for when you install your hard drive. You get a mouse, and this is going to plug into the NVR and allow you to select different cameras and type in your password and stuff like that. You get a little note telling you to upgrade your firmware and a warranty card. And last but not least, you have the NVR. Now on the front of this, you'll notice that it has a USB input. It has 3 LEDs, one for the hard disk drive, one for the net, and one for your power. And that's pretty much it. Now there's no buttons on the front of this. There's nothing that folds down. I figured there would be something that you can control it with as far as button wise on the front. Now that is one thing I noticed. The picture does match the box, but however it does not match the picture in the manual. You have spots here for your fans, and on the back you have a input for your power, an input for your Ethernet cable which goes to your router, your VGA output to go to a monitor. You have a mic in and a mic out. You have an HDMI out that can go to your HD TV, and also another USB input. Alright guys, so now I want to go over a few of the specs with you real quick. This will record 16 channels and up to 4K at 8.3 megapixels. My last one would only record up to 1080p, but only 2 channels at 720p. This thing has a quad-core processor, which my old one only had a dual-core. Now, one thing I'm really excited about trying is the compression rate that this thing records at. It does H.265 and also H.264. One of the main things you guys want to look at when purchasing an NVR is the record rate, and it records at 80 megabits per second. My last one was only 56, I believe, so this one should do a lot better with how much traffic that it can handle. Another nice feature is that this thing is ONVIF 2.4 compatible, and what that means is that if you get a different brand camera other than Amcrest and it is an ONVIF 2.4 compatible as well, then it will work with this NVR. You don't specifically have to buy Amcrest video cameras to work with this, although the Amcrest branded ones will work better with this, and I'm going to show you guys that here in some of my future videos when I do a full-on review of this. But if you go with an Amcrest video, you'll be able to control all the settings and everything. And if you go with an ONVIF one, it will work, but you're not going to get a lot of the functions that you will get if you were to use a Amcrest branded camera. Okay, now on the storage on this thing, guys, it has one SATA 3 port, and you could put up to a 6 TB hard drive in this thing. If you guys don't already know, most of the time when you buy a NVR, it does not come with a hard drive, so you have to purchase your own hard drive and install it here. I'm going to be doing a video on that as well, on how to install the hard drive. It's super simple, guys. Anyone can do it. So if you're interested in checking out that video, I'll post a link here once I get that made. Alright guys, so there you have it. There's my unboxing of the Amcrest NV4116-HS NVR network video recorder, and I'm going to go ahead and get the hard drive installed, get it hooked up and test it out, see how it goes. Then I'm going to be back with a full test and review of this product. So if you guys are interested in that, please click on that bell. Please click the like button down below. If you have any questions, please comment. And if you guys have a network video recorder, please comment below what kind you got, how good it works, if you like it or not. Please guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment, and hope to see you guys on the next one.